Hi, this is Dr.V.Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, K.C.S. Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about the topic Principles of Management. So, Principles of Management. First of all, management is the simplest form in the process of achieving organizational goals by working with and through people and other resources. So every business has its own objectives. These objectives can be achieved with the coordinated efforts of working people together. The management is essential in all areas where women efforts are undertaken collectively to satisfy wants through protective activities. It is drawn upon concepts and principles from other subjects such as sociology, psychology, anthropology, economics, history, statistics, etc. So, management involves planning, organizing, directing, staffing, coordinating, and controlling. These are the activities of the organization. The management is recovered to all the types of organization, to both the business and non-business firms, and is essential at levels in the organization. The definitions of management. Management is the art of knowing exactly what you want men to do and then seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. The management is the process of working with and through others to achieve the organization objectives in a changing environment. The management utilizes the limited resources effectively and efficiently. Thank you.